Hey guys, so thanks for looking at Town Sponsor, and you guys are seeing a white screen because your system is doing what it's supposed to do, and without managed pages permissions, you won't be able to see anything that the backside of this app has to offer. So I will run through a little video display, and hopefully that'll help, and we'll go from there. So typically, if you had managed permissions, I'm set up as a developer for this app, so I can get in. Click the button there, give it your approval. And then the first thing that you would see is over here, we give a little rundown of how the system kind of works, but then you have a list of all the fan pages that I manage. And that is why we need access to manage pages. But so after that, if you manage a page that's kind of more of a small business, local community, restaurant, bar, maybe local band, kind of general business, everyday kind of stuff, say like Urban Static. This is a local retail shop I set up for testing purposes, but you can see this is all you can do with this fan page. And it's a little bit much to look at, but it runs on a point system, so there's a user side, and as they claim coupons, they are granted points, and this just kind of tracks the coupons claimed and the points. There's different coupon types. And then we've done a bunch with locations, so if your restaurant have a couple locations, you can track rewards and reviews and claims and issue to users accordingly by setting up locations and regions. It's kind of a unique little system. Then we have kind of our coupons or posts or promotions. This has evolved to include events or event tickets and products. Say like you can pre-sell prepaid beers, and then you can claim them like coupons. And then we have a built-in loyalty reward system that kind of runs off the points, and you can set it up so once a user has 8 points on your system, you send them a reward. The system has a lot of upgrades. You kind of start with just the basic loyalty points and reward system, but you can create an SMS list for free. You can get into the local advertising feed for a fee. We have kind of an email autoresponder, so if you have the email SMS contact list, this is pretty traditional autoresponder to email, but we just do promotional emails via SMS. And that's all tied into our claiming and tracking system. Enable the map display, gives you more kind of local analytics of what's happening with your promotions at what locations. We have a donations plugins, so all the fan pages can kind of work together, and for every 5 claims, you can choose to donate 5 cents into the big donation fund. So with all the fan pages kind of working towards the general pot, was thinking I could raise a little bit of money for do some good in the world. E-commerce, advanced messaging, and event tickets. These are all kind of still under construction, but you can kind of see what we're working towards. Here's an example of the map. So I got my location. If click on it, tells me the coupons that are going on. Gives me a little bit of details about what's happening there. If you had multiple locations, they'd all show up. So if you're in Town Sponsor, you can go look at the map. See, I have a bunch of locations for Town Sponsor, and they all just kind of show up. And so as you can also see, it's great if you're managing multiple fan pages. Because at a certain point, you can just kind of click through. Got a blacklist, so I can censor pages that are spamming and keep them out of the feed and kind of clutter free. This is what a page kind of looks when it's brand new. Gives you a to-do list, view your profile. We kind of run some stats over here to give you a little bit of general activity. Sign an account rep. Home. We also have the fan page feed embedded in the back end here. If you go here, and it's just all my posts for my Facebook fan page there. We included on the profile page as well. This is what a Town Sponsor profile page looks like. Home, coupons, reviews, locations, rewards, kind of everything you build in the backside. And it starts with your Facebook fan page feed right here on the front. This is pulling the album cover from my fan page. And the profile photo is also from my Facebook fan page. If I like coupons pages, the coupons go into my main feed. So hypothetically, pages have built-in users. Reviews, join SMS list. I'm already joined, but basically that gives this page direct access to send messages to my inbox. So it kind of looks like this. Messages can look like this, where you can send your profile, say 50%. This is a direct communication straight from the merchant directly to my number. He can send to individuals or groups. This is another Urban Static. This is the town sponsor. We're at HTTPS, so pulling in some pages from HTTP so they're not showing. But these are my current feeds as a user. I don't have much data in the system, but goes and gives you an idea of what you can do. I'm at my location, so I would enter the claim code for my little office here, because I just set up a test location for Urban Static, and if that's the case, 1, 2, 3, 4, claims, thanks for claiming. If I wasn't already on the contact list, it would give me a button here to say, hey, would you like to join our contact list? And you'd say yes, and then it'd prompt you, and you do all that fun stuff. Here you can view their profile. But now if I go back to the back end, to my merchant account, and I go to Urban Static, you'll see that I just claimed an event coupon. So this was a ticket that I purchased for the American Butter live show at 8 p.m. at this location would be the venue location. And it does tell you the name, but that's about all the information I give you. Our advanced messaging, this is essentially the user's phone number scaled into just a random ID. We call this our contact ID number. So we don't share your phone number with all the individual fan pages that you want to join up with the SMS list. But then I can select this, send a message. I can weight the message with extra bonus points that count towards the rewards. So if I really wanted to come down and claim this 20% discount for Mother's Day, I can give them 3 points for claiming the message, and so that would get them to the next reward level that much faster. So there's a little bit of gaming going on. What else is here? Store settings. This is for the store. This is for a widget that we're working with. Let me go back to the fan page. This is where you set up your autoresponder message. Save it. You only get one per fan page. That can be expanded on. And then home. So that's basically it in the sense of what Town Sponsor has to offer in a quick little video. There's a promo system and all sorts of fun stuff. Here this page has the advanced messaging. So kind of create your email message here, but we send it in SMS form and presented it in our way. And reviews, see all your reviews. Someone leaves a review, you can send them a message directly. Here you can have some predefined kind of email messages. These are like HTML templates, so you can send them quick little messages. Again, you can weight it, so it's kind of cool. Thanks for the great reward, or thanks for the great review. Enjoy a free beer. Come on down. Yada yada yada. Townsponsor.com. Manage pages. That's what it would look like if we had permissions. Thanks for your time.